Alright, welcome back all my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. Today's video I'll be showing you guys my big loss of $2,000. Like I said in this channel, I want to be transparent with you guys, show you guys the losses, the wins, and show you guys the true journey of trading. Because I don't see much YouTubers online that shows the wins and the loss. They just like to show you the daily wins. Yeah, trading has its ups and downs, and I just want to show you guys the whole thing, okay? If you guys are new to this channel, my name is G. Basically, this channel I'm just showing you guys my journey from $0 in profit and to make it 100K in profit in Forex trading, okay? So if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe and hit that like and comment down below so I can reach more people and hopefully show people the journey of trading Forex and see if it's possible or not, okay? So my USD CHF, this was 2 days after Easter. If you guys know, trading on Easter, the market moves a lot slower. So what happened was I was aiming for less pips, and that's why I was using such a bigger lot size. But if you guys are seeing this and your losses are gonna take all your profits, yes, it will if I do lose, but very rarely do I lose. If you guys haven't seen my channel on how I manage my risk, if you guys see my channel or see my video on that, you guys see that out of 100 trades, I'll probably lose once or twice. So yeah, I lost once. It's a little setback, but the thing is, you just gotta trust the process and keep going, right? So basically, right now, I'm back at 12,600, which is my balance. Yeah, I have 2 trades still running. The stop loss and take profit, like I said, it's not the actual one. I just leave it there in case price spikes up or down. I don't want it to blow my account or miss profits if it goes through my take profit or stop loss. But yeah, let's break down my entry on this and how crazy it is. This is one of the craziest trades that I've seen that went to negative. So what happened? You guys know my strategy. You guys haven't, go check out my moving averages strategy, how I enter, exit my trades. Anyways, price pulled back, or price went in my direction. Price pulled back into the moving average 50 here, exponential moving average 50. I did a buy, went my direction a little bit, and then bam, I don't know what happened here. There was not any news. It's just I don't know what the heck happened. But yeah, there were 4 currencies that had bank holidays. So anything next year, I'll just take note of it, and I won't trade during Easter week, or at least the first couple of days. Yeah. But anyways, price dropped, and almost my stop loss went up a little bit, and then it came back and stopped me out. Stop loss here, so it stopped me out there. Then it never even came back. It just went all the way down. But last week, I did not find any trades to enter. 2 days out of last week, I didn't trade. I was just busy. But then the other 3 days that I traded, I didn't see any of my setup. So I didn't enter any trades. So I'm not going to make a update on my live account. Basically, the update is nothing happened. So I'm not going to make an update on that. But then basically, this is the update. I lost $2,000 this week, which is Easter, 3 days ago. Today is April 8th, and on the 4th, 5, yeah. So it took about a whole day, 5 hours for it to hit stop loss. But like I said, you can't win every trade. Just keep trading. Let your odds play out. Don't enter the circle of death where you lose, you think the strategy doesn't work. You gotta at least put in at least 200, 300 trades. With this strategy, I already put in probably close to 500 trades already. I'll say 300 to put it on the safe side, and I'm already in profit with all the trades that I've taken. So that's why I continue to do the strategy even though I lost. Just because you lost one trade doesn't mean the strategy doesn't work, okay? Even if you're doing not my strategy, but your own strategy. But yeah, that's about it. I'm down $2,000, back to break even. These 2 trades that has been running for about 2 to almost 3 weeks already. Yeah, I'm just letting it run. But that's it. This is not much of anything, just an update. But I just want to show you guys, like I said, the ups and the downs of trading. It's not always a straight line of success. Your accounts will always go up and down, up and down. But at the end of the day, months and years, at the end of the year is what really matters, long-term results, okay? So just because I made $100 doesn't mean that I'm going to make $100 for the rest of my life in the trade. Just because I lost 2,000 doesn't mean I'm going to keep losing 2,000. It's just going to go up and down, okay? So just follow the journey. We'll see where I go. And I hope to be in profit, at least 100K as my goal of 2021. But thank you guys all for watching. Hit the subscribe, like, and comment down below.